Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you notice, Ash is in a little cone of shame. She had like a really big cyst on her head that kept growing and growing and growing. We had it removed. Luckily it is non-cancerous, just a malignant cyst that just kept growing. If you're not familiar with BarkBox, it is a monthly subscription for your dogs. I absolutely love it. They are themed, they are soft toys. They also make a super chewer that is harder toys that I'm not necessarily a fan of. All of the hard toys, some of them I think are a little bit dangerous. They've gotten better over the years. I've done some reviews of those. I do have an affiliate link in the video description that gives you a little bit of a discount as well as gives me a little bit of a kickback. And yeah, so let's check out. I'm too lazy to go to the store, so I prefer these. My Rottweiler Pepper and Ash, my husky. They are themed. I don't know what the theme is. This is for January. Sorry I missed December's. I actually did record it, but then I found out that the audio didn't record. So yeah, they rarely ever have repeat themes. I think I've only seen it like once in the 3 or 5 years I've had their subscription. That tells you how long I've had it for. So it is alien themed. So it normally comes with 2 toys, 2 bags of treats, and then something for them to chew on. I always opt for the extra toy. It does come at an extra, like, I don't know, $9 a toy or something like that. But like I pay by the year, so that's like the absolute best value you can get using someone else's code or my code. I can't use my own code. Use the link code to order the subscription. So it gives you the best value you can do if you do for 1 year. So the first toy that it comes with, because Pepper still loves toys even though she's what, 8, going on 8 years old? She's 7 years old? I don't know, I lose track. You know, they grow up so quick. It's been so many years already. I can't believe I've been doing YouTube for that long already. Check that out. The name of this, they always have cute names and stuff like that. It's Behind the Squeaks. It just says UFO Ultimate Fetching Object instead of UFO. I mean, it's still UFO, but you get the idea. Ultimate Fetching Object. So that's kind of cool. It is a starship with like it looks like a tennis ball on the top, and then the bottom, I don't know what that's really, like, not really anything. But it's like rough material on the sides, so that'll be a little bit more durable. And then it's got a loud squeaker in there. You want that? Oh, you tried to catch it. This one right here, she only cares about the treats. Unless they're Nylabones. She likes Nylabones too, but she prefers the treats. So to keep her happy, we're gonna do the Gobble Jerky Nibbles Turkey recipe. So this doesn't seem alien themed at all. I mean, usually the bags of treats are also themed, but I guess I gotta slip in some leftovers from Thanksgiving. That way they can get rid of it. That's my guess. Oh, so these are, hold on. So they're like little turkey jerky. It says turkey with sweet potato. They're made in the United States or Canada, so you don't have to worry about, you know, anything harmful from like Canada, or not, anything harmful from like China or something like that, a country that you'd have to worry about. You know, Canada and America have much higher standards than other countries when it comes to their foods, even for their dogs, as well as cats. Hi. So the cone makes it very difficult for me to reach around her. She's like trying to get into the box, which you can't see. See her eyes? She's like, I know there's treats in there. Yes, I love you too. I love you too. Yes, I love you too. I know, I know, I know. They just absolutely love giving kisses. I feel bad for the cone of shame. This is Take Me to Your Dog instead of Take Me to Your Leader. That is so cute. It is ARF, Alien Retriever Friend. So they obviously went with like a theme of 3 initials. Look at that. Take Me to Your Dog, and then the back, and then the head has a big squeaker in it. The inside body has squishy. Oh, the arms are really crinkly. Listen to that. Big alien head. silver instead of green, which is kind of crazy. I'm assuming that's like a silver. I am partially colorblind, if you guys did not know that. You want that? See, she wants nothing to do with it. Her, on the other hand, she will still play. And that's what I love about Rottweilers. Like, even as they get older, a lot of them still love to play. And you should always play with your dog. You know, keep them active, take them on walks, play with them, wrestle with them. You know, obviously you just don't hurt them. There's something for them to chew on is the 2 duck sticks. No soy, no corn, no wheat. So like 2 little duck sticks. The next bag of treats is going to be Gobbler Soft Bakes turkey recipe with berries. So the first one's turkey with sweet potato. This one's turkey with berries. I really feel like if you click back to my Thanksgiving unboxing, I feel like some of the same name came from the Thanksgiving box, but I could be wrong because these don't look the same though. I don't remember round treats like this. I don't remember round treats like that. So I'm just gonna give it to her because I feel bad. She finished her medication. The cone comes off on Friday. Today is Wednesday, so she got 2 days left for that, and then that comes off. The next thing is the SETI, the Petty. So I'm assuming Petty for the amount of legs that it comes with. They do have the option of when you're filling out for their subscription, they do basically have what size dog. You give them the weight size of your dog. You give them if they have any allergies, what foods they prefer, what foods they don't like, that type of thing. You fill all that out, and then they give you like basically a monthly subscription that's based off of kind of your pet to an extent. You know, if your dog has a food allergy, they make sure they don't give you treats that have that type of food allergy. This one has a squeaker in it, and then crinkly in just the arms. The rest is like kind of like a soft. Oh, she's gonna love this. You're gonna love this, aren't you? Ah! You want the whole head? Yeah? So she's going to chew on that, the fur, and then she's going to probably chew on the legs and stuff like that. And then obviously if I try to play tug of war with her, the toys are pretty sturdy. I mean, obviously they're plush toys, so they're not going to be indestructible. That's not to be expected. I mean, that is to be expected. And then if you take a look inside, these are all the different options that you could have gotten for the month of January for this theme. And that's the thing too. What theme did you guys get for this month if you do get the subscription? Because from what I've seen, some people get completely different theme than what I might get. And then they get completely different toys. So it's kind of always neat to watch other people's unboxings, which I do still do from time to time. I need to do better about commenting on their videos. But that's this month's subscription. Tell me what you think. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and check out whatever YouTube videos YouTube recommends to you. And you know, that referral link down there gives you a discount, and it helps support my channel. So I appreciate anyone that does click on that and use it. And thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.